So, hello English learners, hope you all are fine. And today I'm going to talk about one of the most important topic, which is the importance of teamwork. Okay, so yes, I have multiple topics here, which we are going to talk on every topic every single day, and we are going to convey the message like how we know about these topics. And I didn't prepare anything about this topic. Whatever the knowledge, whatever the information I have, I'm going to give the clear whatever the things I have. Okay, so the importance of teamwork. Let's talk about the teamwork. What do you understand by teamwork? Teamwork means like there are set of peoples, they are working in the team. This is called team. If 5 or 10 more than one people they are working, this is called team. Like it may be 2% team, it may be 1000% team. This is called team. So the importance of teamwork. What is the importance of teamwork? Teamwork simply means like we are helping each other. In team, we are helping each other. If someone is facing any problem, we are going to help them. So he is also going to achieve the quality. He is also going to achieve the fluency. He is also going to achieve the whatever the required in this in that process. We are going to achieve. So this is called the importance of teamwork, and it may be it depend the team like uh, if it depend in the industry. Like in industry, we are working in corporate, in IT, or in doctors. It may be any team, factory. So it depends like so the importance of teamwork. If we are going to work in a team and the team is supportive, you are going to give your 100%, because most of the time it happen like in team there are 10 peoples, they are supportive, there is a good culture, everyone supports each other, and if someone is in difficulty, other person is going to help you. So what we are doing, we are achieving our 100% in that team. And most of the time it happen like the team is not good, like the culture is not good, the people are not supporting each other, they are just jealous with each other. So we are not going to achieve the fluency, we are not going to achieve the outcome what we expect. So there is a difference between the teams. Okay, this is the important, like teamwork is important, but it also depend like how the people are there in the team. Okay, if the people are good, we are going to get lots of good outcomes. If the people are not good, they are not supportive, they are not helping each other, we are not going to get any results. So everything is depend on the teams, like how the teams people are, how they are they are contributing each other or not. So how is going to make the team good, who is going to make the team supportive? It depends on every individual. Yes, it depends every individual. If someone like we all are working, so it depends the morality, it depends the discipline, it depends the hard work, it depends like everyone is not going to be the same person. Yes, it may be like it knowledge differentiate and hard work differentiate, and ability to understand, there are lots of things are different in one particular person. So if they all are going to give their 100%, it is going to become 1000%. Because in team we are not going to leave one person alone, we are going to support them, and we are going to take his hand to just come with us and do your best in the team. So I would like to say like the importance of team is very amazing thing, and we have to work in a team. It is more better than working alone. If you are going to work in team, you are going to give your 100%, and you will be recognized in the team. Yes, the person, like yes, you are the person who have done and who have achieved. So yes, I hope I have given some thoughts and some information, some knowledge about the importance of team. So if you like the videos, if you like the thoughts, so just be connected with us every day. We are learning something new. So thanks for today.